friends, this is Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. Welcome to Throwback Thursday. This is a weekly series on my blog where I reach back into my stash of beautiful older papers, tools, dyes, designs, techniques, and we make something fresh and new together. I am so excited about fall coming. It still feels like the dog days of summer here in North Carolina, but I'm hoping I can rush the season along by pulling out my Prima Pumpkin and Spice. This is an older collection. It might be 2 or 3 years old. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. One of my all-time favorite fall collections. It just has unexpected shades of orange and peach and rust, and then the sunflowers, the wellies. It's just a gorgeous paper collection. I've used a lot of it, but I had enough left to make these fun little library pocket cards. And these are so easy to make. I'm going to share the tutorial with you. And if you look below in the description box, there will be all the measurements so that you can easily do it. It just takes so much less time to do a tutorial if I show you the basics. So each of these is a 4 1/4 by 6. It has this great little pocket, and I filled it up with a sweet little demi-tasse spoon, and 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card made with my scraps, a little pumpkin spice tea bag, room to write a note, a honey stick, and a bookmark. So ribbon topped bookmark. These are darling, and I think you're really going to enjoy making them. These are great to have on hand during the holidays, fall birthdays, any kind of party or event. They make wonderful little favors, and they look so sweet on your table, and they're just handy to have around as small gifts. So I'm just showing you each of these very quickly with these beautiful vintage spoons. My chrysanthemums are from Really Reasonable Ribbon, and then I just pulled a bunch of stuff out of my stash. I just stitched up scraps to make my little bookmarks, a little pumpkin charm. So these are super fun, and you can use the same design, and you can sub in any paper for any theme that you want to make. These would be great with birthday paper, great with Christmas paper, great for Thanksgiving. You know, you can make a masculine with masculine papers. I would put chocolate in, but it's too hot still here to do chocolate. So let me clear this off. I'll bring in our supplies, and we'll get started making these fun little library pocket cards. All right, my friends, let me show you how to make these little cute little library card style pockets. So easy and fun. These are going to look great on your holiday table. You could make them for parties. You can make them for Thanksgiving. They're a great little hostess gift. So to make 4, which is what I've done today, you're going to need 2 sheets. This is Spellbinders Persimmon cardstock. And you're going to cut it in half at 5 1/2. So it's going to be 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. Lay this on your cutter at 5. And then cut down to 6 on this side and flip it. Make sure I'm straight here. And cut down to 6 on this side. Come in with your scissors and make a little angle cut right here. I didn't quite cut in deep enough there. There we go. And then a little angle cut on this side. So now it looks like this. Bring in your scoring tool. Place this on your tool you're going to score at 2.5. Then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score at 1/2. And you're going to score at 5. That's it, guys. So easy. Then I brought in my corner chomper. And let me see. I want to do it this way, yes. And I chomped my corners on the top. So then this folds up, and I'm folding into the bump, and these fold to the back. And you've got this darling little pocket. And you can leave the back plain, or you can cut paper to cover the back. And then you just decorate it. So I'll have all the measurements and everything in the description box below, so you can measure, score. I'll have the measurements for the paper liners, but these are stinking cute, stinking easy. They would make great stocking stuffers, great teacher appreciation. You can tuck a little something, something in the pocket. I love these. I'm really happy with how this turned out. So thanks for joining me. That's how you make these really adorable library pocket style cards. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for Throwback Thursday. Go get your craft on. Bye.